It's said that Cupid bestowed the rose quartz upon Earth as a gift of love, passion, and happiness. We can use it to heal our hearts, attract love, and restore compassion. It is a stone of unconditional love, and I wanted to show you guys some easy ways to incorporate it into your home and self-care routine. Place a rose quartz in the soil of one of your favorite plants. This is the perfect way to ground your crystal and send harmonizing energy to your plant. Make a crystal spray for enhancing the loving energy in your space. Start by taking a few small pieces of rose quartz. Add a little water and shake it up. I chose to mist it over my bed for enhancing love and harmony in my relationship. Place a piece of rose quartz in your candle. Set an intention like, I choose love. It could be anything you wish to work on or draw into your life. Light the candle and repeat your intention. Let it burn and melt into your space. This one is simple. I chose my kitchen as the center of our home. Restore harmony in the house and come together. Another simple one. Place rose quartz next to a picture of your loved one. This could be for any relationships that need healing or just for the ones you hold dearest. Meditation is an essential practice for self-care. Start with the rose quartz in your hands and place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes and begin to breathe. In and out. Feel the vibration of the crystal and bring that awareness to your breath. You can also try bringing the rose quartz to your heart and placing the other hand on top. Visualize someone you love, and with every breath, breathe in the love you feel. Let the love grow bigger and bigger with each breath. This is a great way to practice gratitude and compassion, and I find it's really great for grounding and getting out of my head. Wear rose quartz around your neck for clearing and cleansing your energy and restoring balance. You can also wear rose quartz if you're feeling angry or jealous. It can help calm you down. Try using a rose quartz roller for an instant cooling and calming ritual. Start with the longer side and roll it from the jawline up. This stimulates the muscles in your face and increases blood flow. Don't forget your neck. Flip it to the smaller side. This is for your more delicate areas like your eyes and eyebrows. This really works wonders for an instant facelift. Set your rose quartz next to your yoga mat. By being intentional with your placement, you have already connected to its loving frequency. Focus on the energy of the rose quartz and your breath. Inhale love, exhale love. This will help open up your heart chakra, create space, and eliminate blockages. Place a rose quartz and some candles around the bathtub. Draw a bubble bath and soak away any worries from your day. And don't forget, you are loved and you are loved. Thanks for watching.